Hello. Plastic extrusion is a high-volume manufacturing process in which raw plastic is melted and formed into a continuous profile. Extrusion produces items such as pipe tubing, weather stripping, fencing, deck railings, window frames, plastic films and sheeting, thermoplastic coatings, plastic bags, plastic covers, wire insulation, and many other products. This process starts by feeding plastic material like pellets and granule flakes from a hopper into a barrel of the extruder. The material is gradually melted by mechanical energy generated by turning screw and by heaters arranged along the barrel. The molten polymer is then forced into a die which shapes the polymer into shape that hardens during cooling. Historically, plastic manufacturers have used DC motors to power extruders, while some turned to larger traditional AC induction motors. But the synchronous motors offers really big advantages with extruder applications like efficiency, maintenance, and stable speed and torque control.